Why pay so much money on scalp scrubs if you can make it yourself? I'm going to show you how. Let's go. And of course, I'm going to tell you guys what the benefits are. One of the benefits is that it promotes hair growth, okay? It helps with blood circulation and that helps to grow your hair. It helps with an itchy scalp and it deep cleanses your scalp. So let's start. My first ingredient is brown sugar. You can also use salt, but if you have a cut on your head or on your scalp, it might burn. So I would advise you to use sugar. I also add a little bit of coffee because that will also help with blood circulation on your scalp. You just mix those two in, and then we are going to add our final ingredient, olive oil. I also added one extra ingredient. This ingredient is optional, so you don't have to put it, but peppermint oil suits my scalp. Like it feels really good on my scalp, so that's why I just added a little bit to the mixture. This is very easy to apply to your scalp. Just part your hair and apply it to your scalp. Just start massaging your scalp very gently, not too harsh, just gently, and you'll end up with a smooth, clean scalp. You can also store it in a little container in the fridge, but I would advise you to make it fresh the same day that you're going to use it. For my second scrub, I also start with some brown sugar and then I add some shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo. It works great for my hair. It really cleanses my scalp, so that's why I use it. My last ingredient is apple cider vinegar. It also helps to cleanse your scalp. Like if you have done an ACV rinse before, you know what I'm talking about. Just add a little bit and just mix it in. What I love about this one is that it's very runny. That means that you can put it in an applicator bottle, which makes it super easy to apply to your scalp. That means you don't have to make any sections or really part your hair. It's very easy. It works just like the first one. If you guys enjoyed this video, just leave a like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot coming for you guys. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.